The art that is presently being created by the African Canadian artists is considered, the title of our exhibition speaks to the emerging African Canadian artists. So we are now coming out. Individuals who are black in Canada have been creating work for many years. The work now is beginning to gain some media attention or some type of recognition. When it is looked at initially in gaining this recognition, people are looking at the issue of what has kept it down. So there is a political side to it. There are, in the article in Now magazine, which spoke about the work here, they spoke about the emerging artist who has been kept down, who has not gained proper notoriety, and there is quality work here. So that's one aspect of looking at the African Canadian.
Do you personally believe that's true? Because I just myself, I know, like, okay, like we don't come from the same background, but I feel it's an irrelevant thing. Art is art. And the fact that you're black or white really has nothing to do with it. It's good art or bad art, really. That's my personal opinion.
But I would have to agree. When you're looking overall at art, has a generic component to it which is not related to your specific sexual orientation or cultural orientation. However, when as a group of artists you're trying to establish an identity and establish a foundation, there is an ongoing battle of speaking to the issues of why this work has to fight to be seen. Once you get beyond fighting for space as an artist, then all of the work in general should be appreciated by all individuals. It is art. Whether the cultural orientation or racial orientation is there, that is very important in giving a fresh element to art as art. So the racial and sexual variable is very important to the making art refreshing. There's no such thing as generic art. Okay, so we do appreciate art for art's sake, but the cultural element is a nice flavor. The sexual element is as well. So
basically what you're saying, the art is, the particular form is because of your own culture and heritage.
Yes, that's one aspect that makes us really appreciate and enjoy the work when we see another culture that's unlike our own and we gain knowledge on it. It's like, I never knew that. So there's a learning process there which enhances us as individuals as we know more about our surroundings or about our fellow man.